Hi everyone. Uh, I will take example of the website Microsoft.com. When you visit any website, most of the websites working under the protocol or most of the internet working with this protocol, the website HTTP. This is the one to translate or to send request get and post from the server to the client with HTTP protocol. So you have to understand HTTP protocol, how it is working. And it is very simple way. When you select any tab, your PC send a request, HTTP request. And that request, usually it is GET request. And with the GET request, the server will validate your request. If it's valid, it will give you a response. It will translate the code from Java, from whatever it's designed, and it will give you a reply as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so your browser can render the response and give you the result. So I'm using Firefox and very powerful the browser, very powerful tools to identify the vulnerability, to identify the system used in the website, and this decision type, cookies, and other things. Let's first catch decision. What is decision? Decision is when you log in or when you visit a website, the server will send you a session. It will store it in your browser. So when you open another page and you send another request to the server, the request sent to the server, it will hold also the session. So the server will know that computer it's already visit us and or log in already. So it will act accordingly on the session. So when you open another web page, it will not ask again to log in because there is a valid session, for example. So the session is the most important key, because if you have a valid session or if you know how to generate a fake session, you will hack the the functionality how the website generate a session. For example, what is called hijacking, session hijacking. Anyway, let's go back on the first page. Okay, let's now see what we can do with browser. If you select inspect, it will give you options. Here it will show you the options. The first one, inspector, it will show you the HTML, and this is cached in your computer, not in the server. Any changes here, it will not reflect on the server, it is in your computer only. So what the benefit you will get, sometime the developer will leave a comment for you here. You will read it. See here, there is a comment. There is a comment here. There is a notes. It's written here. So you will read the notes. You will read the code to understand what is going on. To check is there any benefits from this information or not. So the other tabs is for JavaScript. It will give you the output of the JavaScripts. The other one, debugger, it will show you the files used in the application. Network is the most important because it will show you all the requests happening in the background. For example, if I click Office tab here, what's happened? My computer sent request to the server and Microsoft server send me a response with all of these files, as you can see. Okay, let's catch one of them. Let's say, see, the first request going from my computer, it was a get request to the server. And if you see here, okay, I sent a get request with this link, and the response header was this one. Okay, and this is the request. Okay, So from here we know that what we send and what we get. And if you look at my request, you can see I send request with the cookies, because the server from the beginning when I open the website it's send me a cookies. That cookies stored in my browser. If I go to application or storage, then I check Microsoft, I can see now the server send me a lot of cookies here, and I can identify that is using ASP.NET Core, because it's written clearly that the website's using ASP.NET Core. That's it. See you in the next video.